Working mechanism of the human eye. The human eye works like a camera. It receives light from object, focuses it, forms an image and sends a signal to the brain for interpretation. Image formation in human eye diagram. Light rays from the object passes through the different transparent media before reaching the retina. This media includes the conjunctiva, cornea, aqueous humor, lens and vitreous humor. The cornea and the lens play a major role in refraction of light rays. After refraction, the light rays converge and focus on the retina, where the real and inverted image is formed. The retina contains photoreceptor cells called rods and cones, which convert the light energy into nerve impulses. These impulses are carried to the brain through the optic nerve. The visual area of the cerebrum interprets these signals. Although the image formed on the retina is inverted, the brain makes or perceives it as upright. Accommodation and focusing. Accommodation is the process by which the eye adjusts itself to see near and distant objects clearly. During image formation, several processes occur simultaneously, including refraction of light rays, adjustment of the curvature of the lens, constriction or dilation of the pupil, and movement of the eyeballs. The lens is elastic and biconvex, and its shape changes with the help of the ciliary muscles. When viewing a near object, the ciliary muscles contract, causing the lens to become thicker and more convex. When viewing a distant object, the ciliary muscles relax, making the lens thinner and less convex. In bright light, the pupil constricts and becomes smaller, while in dim light, the pupil dilates and becomes larger. In this way, the eye focuses light properly and the cerebrum interprets the signal to produce clear vision. Eyes defects. Myopia or short-sightedness. Myopia is a defect of vision in which a person can see near object clearly but distant object appear blurred because the image is formed in front of the retina. It is caused by the elongation of the eyeball or excessive curvature of the lens and is corrected by using concave diverging lens. Hypermetropia or long-sightedness. Hypermetropia is a condition in which a person can see a distant object clearly but cannot see near object clearly because the image is formed behind the retina. It is caused by a shortened eyeball or insufficient curvature of the lens and is corrected by using convex converging lens. Presbyopia. Presbyopia is an age-related defect in which a person cannot see very near objects clearly. In some cases, both near and distant vision may be affected due to weakening of the ciliary muscles or loss of elasticity of the lens, and it is corrected by using bifocal lenses. Astigmatism. Astigmatism is a visual defect in which a person cannot see clearly in all directions and the image appears distorted or blurred due to irregular curvature of the cornea or lens, and it is corrected by using a cylindrical lens. Cataract, commonly known as moti bindu. Cataract is a condition in which the lens becomes opaque or cloudy, causing blurred vision, and it commonly occurs due to old age, injuries, or disease like diabetes, and it is treated by surgical replacement of the defective lens with an artificial lens. Glaucoma, commonly known as Jalbindu. Glaucoma is an eye disease in which the intraocular pressure increases due to improper drainage of aqueous humor. This increased pressure damages the retina and optic nerve, which may lead to gradual loss of vision or even blindness if untreated. It can be managed with medicine, laser treatment, or surgery. Night blindness. Night blindness is a condition in which a person cannot see properly in dim light or at night due to deficiency of vitamin A, which affects the rod cells of the retina, and it can be corrected by proper intake of vitamin A.